Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. Today we are diving into the epitome of automotive elegance, the 2022 Hyundai i20 Asta optional. This top-tier variant of the beloved premium hatchback promises a symphony of style, comfort and cutting-edge features. So buckle up as we explore the very essence of automotive sophistication. Let's kick things off with the exterior where sophistication meets boldness. The 2022 i20 Asta optional is a visual masterpiece, boasting a commanding presence with its dynamic front rails, sharp LED headlights, and Z-style taillights that leave a lasting impression. Though I personally don't like the rear that much, but that's a subjective thing. Overall, the car is now sharper with lots of lines and creases. You get side skirts too, which adds to the visual appeal. Complementing its charisma are the alluring 16-inch alloy wheels, adding an extra dash of sporty allure to this premium hatchback. You get 3 engine options. This particular one is a 1.2-litre petrol engine which produces 82 bhp and 114.7 Nm of torque. Step inside and you are welcome into a heaven of opulence. The cabin of the i20 Asta is a testament of Hyundai's commitment to craftsmanship. The dashboard, elegantly crafted, showcases a premium finish, while the seats offer not just comfort but a sense of refined luxury. It's a Hyundai at the end of the day and you get a really long list of features. Let me show you the voice command quickly.
How can I help you?
Open sunroof.
Opening the sunroof.
Close sunroof.
Closing the sunroof.
It gets a digital instrument cluster and a big 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Along with this, you get automatic climate control, 50 Blue-Link connected car features, automatic headlamps, electrically adjustable ORVMs, wireless mobile charging, cool glove box, and the list goes on. But what I really love the most are the Bose speakers in the car. It sounds amazing. There is a Bose speaker placed in every door, 2 front feeder and a subwoofer which is placed in the boot along with an amplifier. Also, I really love this ambient lighting. The owner has done it aftermarket and you can also change colors from your phone. Looks really cool. A POV drive in this car at night would look just perfect. Do comment down if you guys want a night drive video in this car. Now let's talk about space and comfort. It is a really spacious car. The wheelbase has increased by 10mm and now stands at 2580mm. It is also 80mm longer than Hyundai Venue and has more space than Venue. In fact, it is the longest and the widest in its segment. In the front seats, there is decent amount of under-thigh support and you get adjustable headrest. So sitting in the seats for a longer duration won't really tire you that much. Talking about the back seats, it's more spacious than before. Credit to the longer wheelbase. There's more legroom and shoulder room now. You also get rear AC vents for the rear passengers. Creta, as usual. In terms of space, I just forgot to mention the boot capacity, which is 311 liters, 26 liters more than the older generation, and it's also nicely shaped to hold a decent amount of luggage. It has lots of safety features as well. It comes with 6 airbags, you get ABS with EBD, you also get VSM, Vehicle Stability Management, ESP, TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System, and Driver Rear View Monitor. Now talking about the mileage, it returns around 14 to 16 km per liter, which is quite good. It all depends on the way you drive. If we compare the handling with the older generation, then the handling of this new i20 is a lot improved because the steering feels so much precise than before, and the body control also feels a lot more confidence inspiring. Out on the curves, it maintains its composure really well. Compared to the older generation, this car has become more agile and more responsive. But yes, it does have some body roll. Just like any other Hyundai, the steering feels very light at city speeds, and driving this car is a very easy affair. I personally hate Hyundai steerings, but not everyone craves for a feedback rate steering. So yeah, in all, it's way better than the older generation, and it's quite precise on the corners. The ride quality is really good. Hyundai has tuned the suspension greatly. This one feels really subtle over different Indian roads. It does have a slightly stiff edge to it, but it is very comfortable, and even when you drive it fast over bad road, it maintains its composure. Is it a fun to drive car? I would say yes, but not as much as a Polo or a Figo. Overall, the Hyundai i20 Asta Optional 2022 is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a stylish, practical and affordable hatchback. It offers a great balance of features, performance and value for money.
ഇതിനുള്ള U-turn ഉണ്ട്.
just karma. Just bad, just